And another thing I did was add a security handle. This is a handle that Honda sells. The handle is held in place with two security screws. They're a hex head style with a center pin. If somebody's determined to steal your generator, they're still going to probably make a good attempt to steal it. So this handle, it just slows somebody down a little bit. The reason Honda came out with this handle is it was, I guess, a common thing for people to just saw through this handle right here and make off with your generator if you had it locked up. So granted, it's not going to totally prevent somebody from stealing it, because if they want it, they're going to get it. But like I mentioned, this is just slow people down a little bit.